Jai Shri Amman friends. This article is in continuation of the previous introductory article on Shri Varahi Amma. Shri Maha Shodashi has four chiefs in her armed forces. 1. Sampatkari. She represents the Ankusha, Shakti power or energy. Ankusha is the weapon for controlling elephant. Spiritually, it's for clearing all obstacle in our path within aligned purpose and focus. No matter how large and fierce the obstacle may be, with her help and energy, it will be in full control and may even help us achieve our goals and become a tool for our progress and prosperity. Sampatkari Devi rides the elephant and crushes the enemies to pulp. Number second is Ashwarudha. She represents the Pasha, nose Shakti. Pasha helps in relaying the devotee back to the spiritual path. When they go astray, it also helps keep the karmas and action in balance. Ashwarudha Devi is the chief of the cavalry and is very quick to strike down the enemies, internal and external. She is also wishes for getting assistance from large organizations including the government, banks, etc. She is quick, very effective in cutting down the red tape and conferring benefits to the devotees. Number third is Raja Mathangi. She represents the sugarcane bow, hard on the outside but very sweet in the inside. Even, even though the efforts to reach her are very hard and cumbersome, the results that come from Matangi are innumerable and infinite. She is the chief advisor or prime minister to Sri Lalita or Mahashodashi. She is the source and cause of all knowledge known and unknown. She represents everything that there is. Now the fourth one is Mahavarahi or Dandani. As mentioned previously, she is the power of the stick, the Sri Lalita wields. She is the chief of all armed forces and she lords over everyone. She is assisted by her Anga Devatas. Her Anga Devatas are Swapnavarahi. She is a form of Mahavarahi who aids us in revealing the future courses of action to perform as well as events to come. She fulfills all our dreams and wishes and removes all illusion and direct us to our true purpose. Lagu Varahi. Second one is Lagu Varahi. We call it Unmatta Bhairavi. She is the power of Unmatta Bhairava and takes us to spiritual liberation and self realization. She will reveal our true spiritual nature and destroy all our inner fears, greed, ego, etc., and reveals our true identity. And the third Anga Devata is Taraskanhi Varahi. She shields us from all external elements and enemies and also induces enough fear to keep them away from us. All disturbances and obstacles to our material and spiritual progress are kept at bay and our path become much easier. Varahi is also called Panchami, indicating that she is the fifth form of Shakti, the consort of Shadashiva, responsible of the regeneration of the universe. The task of the Divine Mother Shakti are creation, preservation, destruction, dissolution, and regeneration. Creation is carried out by Brahma and his consort Saraswati. Preservation is by Vishnu and his consort Lakshmi. Destruction is by Rudra and we call Shankara and his consort Parvati. Dissolution is by Ishvara and his consort Ishwari. The five element of air, either water, fire, and earth, are also referred to as Panchami, and she lords over them. Varahi riding a bull and carrying a stick is also called Yamani. The Shakti or power of Yama, who rules the southern direction and is the enforces of karmas on departed souls. Varahi also has a form called Kirata Varahi, which is a huntress. From that she employs in destroying all animals, tendencies in us and our enemies. Varahi as the Shakti or power of Lord Varaha supports the entire world and the universe on her tusks. She lifts the creation from the nether world and protects everyone.
इस पवित्र यात्रा में हमारे साथ होने के लिए धन्यवाद। शक्ति के एहसास से को भीतर की शक्ति को जगाने दे। श्री वाराही, बगलामुखी एवं प्रत्यंगरा अम्मा के बारे में ज्ञान प्राप्त करे, अभी सदस्यता लें और तंत्र और परिवर्तन के मार्ग पर चलते रहें। जय श्री अम्मा।